think one advantage is where we look at not only industry, but we're in this, Infor looks at micro vertical, where we have that expertise with the different micro verticals that we have, and we can help out with our customer. And then especially around the AI, where you're going to have that ability to say, look, I know what the industry is, I know what they're looking for with the AI agents, but how do we bring that together? And that is where that specificity on our agentic AI and what we're doing for the industry will definitely help out.
And I've been on both sides of the ERP implementation as a customer and now as AWS and as a partner of Infor. And I think what's unique about today versus a year ago or even 5 years ago is really this idea that Infor brings these industry best practices, and they bring these intelligent industry agents, and they really say, hey, customer, what were you doing yesterday? What could you be doing tomorrow? And it's really not even about having less people. It's about giving people more fulfillment in the roles they're doing, right? Because if I can take off some of that rote work that somebody didn't want to do anyways, and all of a sudden it's not just, hey, we're going to move your ERP to the cloud or you're going to move to Infor, but actually, hey, your ERP is going to allow your teams to do so much more and your business to do so much more. I think that's what's really exciting.
And I think it's a key opportunity for our partners as well. We have these Infor key partners that have that domain expertise, especially on the different data sources that we have. And being able to sit down with the customer either at an AWS office or one of their offices and sit down and say, how do we run the scans? How do we look at those environments so you can see your current state as well as your future state? That's where our key partners really come in to help out, especially around Leap and our wonderful global professional services. So you have choices to be able to move to that cloud, especially get into that Leap.
Yeah, AWS Marketplace brings all of those partners into one location for organizations to really take advantage of the best-in-class products. And so if you think about it, Infor just launched Velocity Suite on Marketplace. They've long time had Infor Cloud Suites on Marketplace. And what that does is it really gives, again, you said the word earlier, choice. It gives the end customer really the choice and the visibility into the products that they want to purchase and across their organization, right? We hear all the time about one group purchased over here and we didn't have visibility and there was, rogue spend over here. And so Marketplace allows customers to bring all of those software and some hardware vendors into one place. And it also makes kind of the automation and the billing and all of those things really centralized. And so really our goal at AWS is to help our ISV partners and our marketplace partners and our end customers have a more seamless experience when they're buying great products like Infor's Velocity Suite.
Taylor, that's a great point. And where I'm really excited is for us is this is the first time we've had Velocity Suite in AWS Marketplace. And you mentioned our customers with choice. I'll also say some of those customers who've never leveraged AWS Marketplace, this is the opportunity to not only test it, but see the value of the billing from there. But also for those customers who've leveraged Marketplace out there, we're here to provide that simplification from soup to nuts that we can help out. And I'll tell you, more is coming for Infor, especially the AWS Marketplace, because for us, it's a one-stop shop and it's an advantage to both our customers and our partners, including the panel PPO.
Yep.